When we learn about the sciences of the Qur'an, we empower ourselves. We empower ourselves. Somebody here is the most intelligent person, and he is the most efficient and prolific person at whatever he does. And there's nothing like being in a position where you know what you're doing. Allah said in the Quran about the kuffar, وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَنْ يَعْبُدُ اللَّهَ عَلَى حَرْفٍ. There are those people, they worship Allah, they don't know what they're doing. They don't know what they're doing. Most of you are from the Pakistani subcontinent. I think they call it subcontinent. So you have some knowledge about the Hindus and the Sikhs. A person burns himself to prove a point as a result of his iman. What are you doing? Why would you kill yourself like that? He burnt himself religiously. I went to India. I saw the Hindu man. He had his hand up in his arm, was like this. He took a vow to keep his arm up for 3 years for his God. And Allah knows what his God was and is. I met him after 2 years and some change, and his elbow went inside. It was going inside, and he had long nails, and his arm was stuck. Couldn't bring it down. And you look at that individual and you say, what are you doing? Allah doesn't want that from you. There's no difference between that guy and the guy who spins around in Islam saying hooah for 30 minutes. And he said he became one with Allah and Allah became one with him. Or the one who takes a sword and raises and he hits himself like that. And he puts blood all over the place. Learning about the book of Allah puts you in a position where you know what you're doing. And people bring you all kinds of issues, you're able to deal with them. Look what Allah said in the Qur'an, ikhwani, before we go on to the next chapter. Allah said about the Qur'an, وَنَزَّلْنَا عَلَيْكَ الْكِتَابِ تِبْيَانًا لِكُلِّ شَيْءٍ. We revealed this book to you and it explains everything you need to know. He said in another verse, giving the same message, وَمَا فَرَّطْنَا فِي الْكِتَابِ مِنْ شَيْءٍ. We didn't leave anything out of this book. الْيَوْمَ أَكْمَلْتُ لَكُمْ دِينَكُمْ. Today your religion is complete. لِيَهْلَكَ مِنْ هَلَكًا بَيِّنًا وَيَحْيَا مِنْ حَيًّا بَيِّنًا. So that the person who is destroyed, he is destroyed based upon clarity. Clear proofs were established on him. And the one who comes and is successful Yawm al-Qiyamah, he was successful because of clear proof. The Muslim is on clarity in worshiping Allah. Kuffar Quraysh came, they said, Ya Muhammad, our gods, look at them. This one is made out of copper, that one is made out of gold, that one is made out of wood, this one is made out of silver, this one is out of plaster. Allah, 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 what is he made out of? The Prophet didn't start tap dancing and stuttering. He didn't start scratching his head. He looked at him and waited. The ayat was revealed. Qul huwallahu ahad. That's who my Allah is. To know what you're doing. So the Jewish man came to Al-Imam Sufyan al-Thawri, tremendous scholar in Islam. He said the Quran said that everything has been explained. Everything. Did the Quran explain how to make tharid, which was a popular meal of the Arabs? Did the Quran explain how to make curry, a good curry? Allah said everything has been explained. Did the Quran tell us, based on that ayat, how to make a good curry or chapati? The Muslim's going to say, Wallahi, the Quran told us how to do that. Where is that ayat at? And Imam Sufyan al-Thawri said, Allah said in the Quran, فَاسْأَلُوا أَهْلَ الذِّكْرِ إِن كُنتُمْ لَا تَعْلَمُونَ. Ask the people of knowledge if you don't know. The one who made that curry, the Quran told us, go to him and ask him, how did you make that curry? The Quran explained everything in our religion. Person knows that Quran or other aspects of his religion, he'll be able to defend what he is upon. If he doesn't know, a person can make you not so sure about your religion. Start having doubts. Because there are things that can be mentioned to people that can cause and create seeds of doubt in the person's heart.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Member YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.